Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this one we'll be downloading and installing the ES File Manager app on Fire TV. Let's go. Under the Find tab, go to Search, navigate to ES, so type in ES and you find ES File Explorer right here. So scroll down to it, ES File Explorer, and click. Now you have this app right here, click on it to launch and you find the download button pop up. So immediately it does, click on it and you are headed to a successful download. Just be patient for the download to complete. When the download is done, the installation process will be automatic, so just be relaxed, keep calm and wait. So depending on your network speed, it will take you a couple of seconds, so just over a minute. And when it's done, you have the app available in your app library. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.